If you want to start using Wise, you should click on the link in the description to create an account. In your Wise account, go to your balance section. If you want to verify your account by adding another transaction, you can do so by clicking the Add Another Transaction button. In my case, I'm going to verify my account by adding another currency. Once you click on Add a Currency, you will be presented with two options, which is Balance and Jar. In this case, I choose Balance. After selecting that, you will be asked to choose a currency. For this demonstration, I selected JPY, which is Japanese yen. Under the currency you selected, there will be a button that says Get Account Details. Click that button. And you will now be prompted to verify your identity. Click the Verify Identity button and you'll be asked to select which country issued your valid ID for verification. In my case, I selected Philippines. Under that, there will be a list of acceptable ID types. Choose the ID you want to use for verification. After completing the steps, you will need to take a photo of your valid ID. After completing these steps, Wise will process your ID and your account will be verified. And that's how you verified your Wise account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.